The water's really cold. I think it's like 48 degrees, 47 degrees or something like that. So it's really hard to catch fish right now. So we're having to bounce off the bottom with a jig and a minnow, or jig and a fathead. Fatheads are working better right now, seems to be for us. So last night we went out and caught four or five. Today we went out, we caught 4 or 5 more, but I seen one of them was belly up, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out now. The other one are still alive, and we're gonna go ahead and get them pulled in. I'll show you what these look like. I've had a few shots of Captain Morgan private stock right now, so I can't promise you I'm not slurring a little bit or whatever, but it is what it is. Here's the belly up guy. Nice walleye. There we go. Big walleye. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them.
Looks like 8.
8. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's the little one's like, what is it? 13, 14 inches or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's above the limit. We're good.
Get home, my country girl, my country house, my country folk. Get home, country girl. Here she comes.
We're having a great time, and we're about to go out again. Y'all have a great day.